Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bernice Dyer versus Tina, is it Wagazi?
Legacy.
Yes, Wagacy, Wagacy, however you like.
Wagacy.
Vegas. Okay. All right, I have Tina and George Wagacy. All right,
Yes.
where are we on this one?
100% moved out.
You're, say again?
We have moved-
100%
Oh my God.
You're moved out?
correct.
Sure.
Ms. Dyer? Is that your understanding?
Yes, they moved out. Yesterday, they were supposed to be out Tuesday. And
No.
No, we were to Friday.
they come, I'm talking, please.
I love these
Wrong.
family cases. No,
And,
you don't stop them from talking. This is my courtroom, not your house.
Stop.
My house.
Right.
Are we clear?
See you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. They moved out.
Yes.
What do you want me to do?
They still have stuff in the house. And they took the dog. They come in yesterday and they stole my dog.
That dog was given to me. I have a bill of sale.
No.
Yes,
Don't answer. Speak quiet.
from the owner.
Just wait till he says something.
Okay, so let me get this right. You guys moved out. There's still stuff there, and now there's a dog missing.
No, it's there's
Not missing.
nothing. The dog is my wife's. We have a bill of the animal. It was never my mother's.
Say, sir,
Okay.
the dog is shipped to me.
What kind of dog is it?
It's a Labrador.
Okay, so it's a real dog. All right. So let me just start with the property first.
Okay.
In terms of property, Ms. Dyer is saying that there are certain things that are there, but you
No,
guys are saying moved out. You don't want any of the stuff that may be yours or she thinks is yours, right?
No. Right.
correct.
Okay. I don't know that there's a whole lot I can do about the dog. Somebody's gonna have to sue somebody else about the dog because that's not part of this case.
I didn't think so.
Boy, this is not right.
Oh, it's 100% right.
No, it's not.
Stop.
Folks,
Be
Okay.
quiet.
if I wanted to be a family law judge, that's what I would have done. I really don't want to. This is my second one of the day.
Right.
So here's what I'm gonna do. If they moved out, it's all been satisfied. Is there any reason I shouldn't dismiss the case, Ms. Dyer?
Judge, the dog is registered in my name and I've taken care of him for 5 years. This is my dog.
But
And
not-
they're lying.
Excuse me.
The dog is-
She took care of him while I lived there for 5 years. No, she took it to the vet one time. So the dog is not hers. It's not even this case issue. I know. We are 100% moved out. And I know that's all you care about, Judge.
Well, no, I care about the dog. 'Cause I
Oh,
don't
well, the
think-
dog is mine.
You
The dog
guys
was given to
you guys
me.
are fighting over the dog. I don't think the dog ought to be with either one of you. So here's what I'm gonna do. If they moved out, you filed a termination. That means this case is dismissed. It's gonna be dismissed without prejudice. If Ms. Dyer, and I'm not suggesting it, but if you want to sue for the dog, you're gonna have to sue for the dog.
I will,
That's not part of this case.
right,
So I can't deal with that.
okay.
All right?
You go
Thank
for
you,
it, 'cause
folks.
you will not win.
Sir, enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, too late. Court calls is it Shalilia versus Justin Holbrook?
Yes, Your Honor. I am plaintiff Muthukumar Chellaya.
I'm here.
Mr. Holbrook,
Yes.
you're here? All right. Pardon? Oh, I'm sorry. And there's also Last name Kumar. I guess Natija Kumar and Brijesh Kumar. This is a termination case.
I'm here.
All right, what's going on?
I'm Nityaja.
Your Honor, I have given them enough time to vacate the house. I'm looking for the possession, trying to sell the house. They started moving like 6 months ago. Then they didn't do it. I even paid them for moving supplies, truck, and storage. And they asked for a week last week with the other judge, but they haven't done anything for the whole week.
I've been busy with work. I'm the only one that's been able to move anything. I was supposed to go down there today, move some things. I just haven't had the chance all week. And we don't have much left. We've been moving stuff out for a while, but that was due to a mold report that we have gotten back. We weren't able to live in the home. So we started to move our things out, but then our items in the basement got damaged. And we were told through him that we'll be receiving compensation for our items through the insurance company, even though we didn't have renter's insurance, but we are his family. So we were told that we were going to be getting compensated for our items. So that's what took so long for us to move all of our items out. But at this point, we just really have things in like the garage and the pool barn. It's a 10
So
acre.
when are you gonna have all of that out?
I'm trying to take one more trip down there because we currently live an hour away. So I have to figure out the best ways to get down there and when I can and to make a trip. So I'm trying to do like one more trip. I'm either
Can
going
you
to try
be out by the end of the, can you be out by the end of the month?
Yes.
And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to adjourn this matter out June 30th. I'm going to indicate defendants to move out by then.
Your Honor, may I ask if we can have?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ignore you. Go ahead, ma'am.
No, it's okay. I also agree. We will be moving our stuff out. All we have is small items in the basement in the pool barn. I have not had a chance to be able to go get it as well. Is there a way I can get a 1 week extension? Because I do have work that whole week. So if we can maybe do sometime in July, just so I have an opportunity to get my items.
Plaintiff, you have a problem with me giving a date in July?
Your Honor, I've been trying to sell the house for a whole year, and I had 2-3 potential buyers walk away because of their behaviors, irresponsibility. And I have a buyer to close the house today. I had
Okay,
one
so
last.
hold on, folks. Sir, whose father are you?
Nityaja Kumar.
That's your dad?
Yeah.
You don't want to give your daughter another week into the
No,
July?
No, sir. I have a potential
Really?
buyer. Walked away a couple times already. I lost $35,000 more deal. I put so much money for this house. They paid nothing. And I put her through college. And like I had a closing date last week. I have closing. The buyer is ready to close today. I don't know if they will still stick around or not. I lost so much money. Like I am also living an hour away, coming here, taking care of the house. I am not able to maintain. All the left in the garage and barn is the trash from last year. Animals getting in there, tearing apart.
Your Honor,
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor, we've been told that we've had to leave the property and stop packing up our items because he's been showing the house, and this has been happening for months. I've been on like we've not been been notified, and he's just been bringing people there. We've had birthday parties, and he's used that as excuses, and people have came there and still tried to kick everybody out. And so that is the main problem. Every time I'm there trying to move my items out, there's somebody there. He comes there and he calls the police on me. He called the police on me for trying to take my pool because he was trying to sell the house with the pool. So every time I go there, there's been the issue on we have to leave early. We can't get as many things as we would like.
Okay. here's what I'm gonna do.
Your Honor. Like
Yeah,
he took the kitchen sink countertop from the basement that does not belong to him. It belonged to the house. He changed the locks on me. He took the lock box. He took the sale sign of the realtor. He broke into the house. They broke the drywalls in the house, took off, damaged the house so bad. The value has gone
Your
down
Honor,
so much. They like
Yeah.
invoking, kicked the house, bang and damage so much, lost so much. Like
sir,
it's the worst house. Like
sir,
it's a very bad situation.
sir,
I'm afraid they do
sir.
more damage, sir.
Jeez, oh, Pete. You all done now? So I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Is it 7/7?
Sorry,
July 7th?
on July 7th, 9 a.m.
I'm gonna indicate that the defendants say they're gonna move, they'll be out. And what time? 9. So what I'm gonna do, since you won't give your daughter another week to try to get it done, she's just asked for that to get the little things out. In honor of my daughter, I guess I'll give her another week. So we're gonna go to July 7th, 2023, 9 a.m. You guys are to be out by that time, sir. You are not to do anything to interfere with their moving out. You understand that?
Yes, sir. And like they have been saying this, and my daughter said she will kill me before him. They are so bad like that, and he spoiled the whole
Okay, did I tell you to
family.
keep talking?
No, sir.
I didn't
Sorry.
think so. All right, we'll see you guys on the 7th. Everybody have a great 4th.
thank you,
Thank
Your
you,
Honor.
Your Honor. I appreciate it.
Taken for the plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Peter Beck appearing on behalf of Page and Ashton Dubisky.
We're also here, Your Honor, Paige and Ashton Dubisky.
All right. Last time we were here, you're gonna pay 700, 800 on the 16th. I ordered the landlord to take a partial payment. Where are we now in this case?
I paid the
Excuse me.
$700 on the second. Sorry, and then the
All right,
$800 on the 14th.
Hold on. Hold on. You have an attorney representing you, right, folks?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you let them talk? This is what they do for a living. Otherwise, the attorneys feel useless, so we don't want that to happen. All right, Mr. Beck, go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, there was a promise to make $800 payment by Friday, June the 16th. The payment was
Right.
made yesterday by Ms. Dubisky. And what we're asking, or what she's asking, is for an opportunity to pay $1,000 every 2 weeks. So there'll be $1,000 paying on June the 30th of 2023, and 2 weeks after that, an additional $1,000. There's currently, I believe, an amount owing of $5,173 minus the $800 brings the total down to $4,373. So basically what we're asking for, Your Honor, is some additional time to get her to be able to satisfy the outstanding balance.
It sounds like a conditional dismissal would be
Yeah.
appropriate here, Your Honor. So if we want to just kick this out a little bit, me and Attorney
All
Beck
right.
can hopefully hash it out before the next hearing and get it filed.
Why don't I do that? Let's do June 30th, 2023 at 12 noon. Let you guys try to work out a conditional dismissal. And then Mr. and Mrs. Dubisky, you'll be able to see what the magic that attorneys can do, okay? So,
Yes.
Are you gonna pay you're gonna pay 800 today. Are you gonna pay anything before the 30th?
Your Honor, I paid the $800 that was due today. I paid it on Wednesday, the 14th, because I got paid a couple days early through my bank.
Okay. Are you gonna be able to pay anything before the 30th?
I get paid on the 30th. So that's when I was gonna do the
So
$1,000.
here's what we'll do. They're gonna try to wrap this up in a conditional dismissal, so I'll let the attorneys deal with that. and with any additional payment so that it'd be credited, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
We'll see everybody on the 30th. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you, Your Honor.